Hello, Future Millionaire. Here I am at HODL, the brand new art center of Gold Coast. This thing is gonna be opening very, very soon. So whoever plans to come to Gold Coast and wants to see a destination, a brand new one, this is a very, very interesting one. Just to let you know. Also, there's a brand new charging station just around the corner here. I just finished charging the car, and as you can see, back to almost normal. Yeah, and I promised yesterday I'm going to review what car I bought, and I don't think anybody guessed it correctly. This is the one, but not exactly this car. This is the sister car of the one that I bought, and everything else is almost the same except the color of the leather. So I'll keep the color of the leather secret until you see the actual car. Let's just say it's not brown. Yeah, so you can take a look at the spec. That's the actual spec. And for those people who are not living in Australia, I know it's ridiculously expensive. It is ridiculously expensive. Yeah, fully spec'd, everything is in there. The option list is actually pretty short because this is a 30i, not a 20i, and a 0 to 100 officially 5.2 seconds, unofficially 4.9. It's a great car, and what can I say? Sexy, very sexy. Okay, back to Bitcoin Cash. So flipped it around. Okay, hi. About Bitcoin Cash, the volatility right now is pretty high. So what I would suggest to everybody is hang on, do not make rash decisions, and make sure you understand the volatility in crypto, particularly Bitcoin Cash, comes with territory. And the higher the price goes, the higher the volatility will be. But the beautiful part about Bitcoin Cash volatility is that you actually have a template ahead of you. Do you remember how BTC was trading before $1,000? And do you remember how BTC is trading after $1,000? Just take the template from BTC, apply from BCH, then you will understand why I'm so bullish on BCH. Whatever's going to happen in BCH has already happened to BTC, and the flipping is going to happen. It's already happening. The miners I know are switching over. The investors I know are switching over. It is make no sense to stick to just one coin instead of being diversified. Imagine you have $100 million worth of BTC. Doesn't that make any sense? Just to hold on to just BTC instead. Diversify maybe 10% out of BTC into BCH. If BCH indeed becomes the dominant Bitcoin form, then your 10% BCH will become 1,000% or 5,000%. So therefore, you are securing your remaining 90% of BTC. It just makes logical sense. And I know a lot of big financial institutions in Asia Pacific region are right now looking exactly just like this option, because this is the safest option for them to diversify. Okay, this is just a short video. Remind everybody a 10% drop, 20% drop is nothing compared to the big gains on certain days. You are not able to predict when it's going to go up suddenly 30%. I couldn't. I didn't want to. I don't need to. I know my target, 7 years, 1000x. We're only 3 years in. Usually the biggest gains comes in the last 2 years. So fireworks is still ahead of us. And for those who haven't joined yet, you'll join now. Yes, you cannot no longer do 1000%, but you can easily do 100% from this price level. Is 100% good enough for you with practically no downside? I think it is. 100x, not 100%, sorry. Misspoken. 100x, not 100%. Who cares about 100%, right? That's like 2 days work. 100x is what I'm talking about here. Originally 1000x, that's gone, that deal is gone. You had your chance in the last 3 years. Now we're aiming for 100x from today's price. All right, everyone on board. See you in the next video. Bye.